My name is Shelia Wickens, and I'm the President and CEO of the Jefferson County Chamber of Commerce. And with us today, we have Jason Holliman, who is the President and CEO of Citizens National Bank. So welcome, Jason.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me.
Well, thank you. Can you tell us a little bit of a brief history of how Citizens National Bank came to fruition?
Sure. So last year we celebrated kind of a years-long celebration of our 50-year anniversary.
Okay.
And we opened for business February 5th, 1973.
Okay.
And the thing that really the idea was born out of in the 70s, 60s, earlier banking times. It was difficult to get credit. And so the idea was there needed to be a bank in town that was just easy to do business with. And so a group of fellows got together and formed the bank, and that's been really our philosophy for more than 50 years now. And so we've grown from that year of just over about $4.5 million in assets to about $1.8 billion in assets now. So it's a philosophy that's worked very well.
When you discuss loans, what's the mortgage rate now?
Well, the mortgage rates are, they're changing every day. And as a proxy, if you follow what a 10-year treasury rate does, that kind of gives you an idea how mortgage rates are moving. In the last few days, they've actually been up a little bit. We have all the traditional products and services you think of as a bank, with loans, deposits, CDs, savings account, money markets, all those things. We offer, whether it's a mortgage loan for a home, personal loans for, autos or whatever the case may be, or large commercial loans and commercial real estate loans. We kind of do the whole ball of wax. So we spend a lot of money and time on having a really good mobile banking app. It's hard to beat the convenience of having a really good app anywhere you want to bank. And you can pay bills, you can transfer money, you can check your transactions every day, where you stand, you can see your balances. Yeah, it's just easy and it's quick. I love the bill pay. And then beyond that, the digital side, like digital wallet of Apple Pay and Samsung Pay, to where you just tap and pay at a register. And we've also converted to tap debit cards. Tap credit cards are coming, so you don't really think about how much banking has changed in the 50 years that CNB's been in business, but it has been drastic changes.
Yes.
But at the end of the day, we still hold to we're going to be easy to do business with.
What do you think would be your number one asset?
Without a doubt, is our people, our employees, because that's what it takes day in, day out. Some of the other things you mentioned there, we pride ourselves on giving great customer service. Well, that starts with great employees.
Right.
Beyond our employees and the service that they provide consistently day in, day out, we've got 24 branches across this part of East Tennessee. You can go into a CNB branch, whether it's a brick and mortar traditional branch or one of our in-stores that's in a food city or a Kroger. Our philosophy is we're going to be a customer service relationship bank with good technology to support that. We have these quarterly luncheons to recognize milestones and how long you've been at the bank, and it's 5, 10, 15, 20 years. And every one of those, we almost always have someone that's been at the bank 15, 20, 25. Wow. And we've got people that's been at the bank over 40 years. And so it's hard to replace that kind of service and their knowledge and skill set. And so we're just so fortunate to have that kind of long-term tenure and people that believe in what we're doing.
What would you like to say to your potential customers?
I want to help people understand our customers and potential customers, how important they are to the community. So when you think about what a community bank does, they're so important in driving economic prosperity here in Jefferson County and counties surrounding the area. And where that all starts is when a customer decides to bank with us and deposit their payroll checks or whatever the case may be, have that deposit account. Well, that deposit leads to a loan. And maybe that loan is to an individual to build a house. And You've got the construction piece of that that's providing jobs in the community. Or maybe it's a business, small business, commercial real estate, whatever the case may be, but it's economic output to the community that helps create jobs. And so our customers that trust us with their financial well-being are really big contributors to the overall impact we make in the community. And so that's the one thing that I really like our customers to understand is how important they are. And it's like a life cycle to me that starts with our customers that bank with us.
We all want to help our communities any way we can. Thank you for giving back to Jefferson County.
Thank you so much. One last thing I'd say, you
Yes.
said something that made me think. I always say the hallmark of a good community bank is how you impact your community and how you give back. So that's important to us more than loans and deposits is giving back and supporting the communities, whether it's volunteering, donations, things of that nature. So thank you for mentioning that.
It has truly been a pleasure. And whatever we can do for you and your team, we are here for you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.